because the Doug Thorley one I got actually broke or weld, and I'm driving around now without any muffler on it at all, which is really loud. Now we're going to hear what it sounds like instead. It's really loud. We're gonna drive now, and that's gonna be loud too. So what we're doing is we're going to Larry's shop, United Auto Collision or something like that in Burlingame. He does installs for smarts and turbos and all sorts of stuff. And he's gonna fix it for me. Yes. So this right here is the factory cat that came with it. It attaches here. It's the header. It's an integrated unit, and there it is. That's the header, and it comes out. There's a heat shield here, and then it comes out around there. There's the cat right there. A little oxygen sensor goes into a little hole in it, in there, and then that's your. From here, it's a cat back down to the regular muffler. So we're gonna replace all this stuff. Later, I arrive at Larry's shop in Burlingame, California, driving all the way from San Francisco. Here is my smart car with its vertical door kit by Smart for 2 Parts, or Smart Madness. We're going to take a look at the engine. You flip up the thing in the back there, and there is the engine. A nice stock airbox. Blech. Anyway, there's the vertical door again. And now we have this beautiful stamped Doug Thorley header underneath the car. Let's take a look at it, though. This is the muffler resonator part of it, which comes from the cat back. It's the upgraded version 2, which has that spring-loaded thing you can see on the bottom there now. And then it attaches to the head, which is the shiny part at the top with the sensors on it. It bolts underneath here, as well as to the engine, of course, keeping it nice and tidy. Too much coffee.